multiplication by 99. The condition is multiply any two-digit number by 99. This is also two-digit number, 63. 37 is also two-digit number, 26, 28 also two-digit number. If you have two-digit number, you can use this. First, what is the question? 63 into 99. First, subtract minus 1. Okay. 3 minus 1 is 2. Here 6. And then subtract the given number. What given? 62 from 99. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 6 is 3. So the answer is 6,237. This is the answer. Okay. And then 37 into 99. Here we are having 37 into 99. First subtract minus 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. 3. Then subtract 36. So 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. So the answer is 3,663. This is the answer. The next one is 28 into 99. Subtract minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. Here 2. Then subtract 27. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. So the answer is 2,772. I give a number 4.65 into 99 is what? Comment your answer.